Alright guys, so we're on the Ariel Rider X-Class 52-volt Step-Thru, and what I'm going to talk about is performance. And this is the perfect time to do so, as we're about to go up this really good-sized hill. You guys don't worry, that's a dead end, so as long as traffic isn't coming, we're good. You guys, up this hill, we're going 19 miles per hour. 19.5 we hit. Really nice torque, really nice power. You guys, unmatched at the current price point of $16.99. Can't be beat. The 52-volt e-bike, the 20 amp hour battery, which should realistically give you about 40 miles of range as far as using, a lot of power, a lot of throttle, highest level of pedal assist. Ariel Rider says you can get up to 75 miles of range, but that's using, the lowest level of pedal assist. The brakes are phenomenal. You guys, you got a really powerful and really torquey 1,000 watt motor in the rear that I'm pretty sure peaks at 2,000 watts. And, well, we're about at half charge, and we're going 36 miles an hour, guys. 36.4 miles an hour, 36.7. Guys, check out those brakes. I mean, I'm telling you, the performance cannot be beat. As far as riding on different types of terrain, the front adjustable forks do a fantastic job of going over any terrain, handling bumps, handling off-road, and handling the normal road that we're traveling on, as well as the rear suspension, which is kind of in the middle, but a very comfortable bike. And of course, our favorite part is the BMX style handlebars, which makes you feel like you're a kid again riding around the neighborhood. We also have this new color display from Ariel Rider, the haptic feedback. You can pick that up on the website at arielrider.com. Guys, I don't know of any other bike that can even come close to the performance of the Ariel Rider X-Class 52-volt Step-Thru. If you know of anything that you think comes close, I want to hear about it in the comment section, and we'll have a discussion. But guys, this is the bike to get in that sub $2,000 price point. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to see any other videos from us, let us know in the comment section below. We'll get back to everybody. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace out.